Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at what is inside the Zuru Smashers Dino Ice Age surprise egg. I've seen videos of, what's inside these, and I wanted to kind of give one a go myself. I have the stuff ready for messes because I know these can be messy. So let's get right into it. Where is the entrance? It is here. Oh, it's one of these. I hate these zips because they never want to work. Oh, here we go. Oh. Yeah, it's just not wanting to work. So we shall just go around it. There's 2 layers to that packaging. There we go. So here we have the egg. All the rubbish is falling on the floor, but oh well. So let's get in. From what I saw, you just sort of smash it. But I don't want to break the table, so what I'm going to do... So I'm just going to smash it on the floor real quick. Let me in. There we go. Smashed it on the floor. I just didn't want to damage the table. So here we are. Get that out. And we get that out. Pop the egg off to the side, because that can be reused. Right, here we have our little collector's guide. See it? Here we have a collector's guide. Nope, I didn't even have any of that on camera. I am so sorry. And then we have stuff to scratch off, which I'll do with my thumb. So we have the frozen dinosaur poops. Thaw the claw, which looks like slime. Hatch it if you can, which is that pack. Frozen bones, which is stretchy snow. And can you handle the tooth, which is that. Alright then, so let's open the pack. This one doesn't look as inflated as the one I saw on YouTube. Here we go. Oh, there's some instructions. So we have this, which I believe is for rebuilding the eggs. We have the stretchy snow. Oh, the frozen dinosaur poop. The bone slime. Oh, that's the one we got. We have the pterodactyl. We have the growing snow. And then we have the crystal slime. And then we have a few individual eggs. Is that in there? That is it in there. Right, I'm going to put these singles off to the side. So they can just go there. Because obviously we need to focus on these. So the first one is the frozen dinosaur poop. So let me get all of these out of the way. The bone slime's quite heavy. I need to pour this over here. Because on this plate is where we're going to do this. Right, how does one get in? I don't think one can get in without a pair of scissors. I'll be right back. Have the scissors. go. Come on. Let me in. Now, this is the messiest bit, I believe. Where's the bag? I'm just going to put all the rubbish back in the little bag. Right, so with this, it should just fizz. Oh, there we go. It's fizzing. Right, I'm going to wait until it's all finished fizzing, and then I shall be back to fish out what is in it. Okay, I'm back. That is still fizzing away. I think that's just going to be fizzing away for the rest of the video. But in that dinosaur poop, we have a foot. And I still have some water left. I had to refill the jug. And no mess. Yay. Right, so what is next? We have Thor the Claw. So this is the slime. Alright then. Hold on. Alright, I have a bowl for the slime. I had to go and get a bowl. Because going off what those breakout beasts were like, I'm gonna need one. Pull that off. Where's the bag? Rubbish in the bag. Okay, so, alright, it's a resealable bag if you wanted to keep the slime. I will not be keeping it. Oh god. It's like solid slime. I'm just gonna have to pull it out. Oh, the slime feels out of date. It's just solid and gross. That isn't slime. That is disgusting. That is gross. The slime shall not be kept. It shall be binned because it's like rubbery stuff. It's like rubbery slime. It's weird. Should just be able to get all the slime off with itself though. Shouldn't need to go rinsing anything because it's sticky. Alright, I'm going to get the pieces out of here and then I will be back. Right, okay, I'm back. That stuff is horrible. It is super sticky. It is not slime as slime should be. So that is going in the bin. Slime is supposed to be icky and gooey and horrible. But we got 3 pieces out of that. We have the body, we have the main body, we have the other foot, and the tail. But the only good thing about that slime being sticky is you could just use it to dab over everything and get all the other slime off. Apart from when it gets in the tail. That was a pain, and I'm pretty sure there's still some left in there. Right, so, put those off to the side. What is after the slime? It is the growing snow. This one. That did honestly feel like the slime had sort of gone out of date. And it was disgusting. On a plus side, that stuff has stopped fizzing. The poop. I didn't even realise when it stopped fizzing, but it had. Alright, so this is the growing snow. I'm going to peel and fill with water. Okay. How do you actually get the stuff, the thing, out of here? This is not food. Okay. And we've got to peel this as well. Now, if you wanted to, you could just reach into the pot now and just grab the piece. But I'm going to do it properly, how it says. It's wanting me to just fill this with water. we go. I'm not actually going to fill it. Here we go. Oh, it does actually feel a bit like snow. I think I put a bit too much water in it. What's this say here? Okay, that's just the instructions. Alright, so now we'll just tip it all out. Here we have the snow. Right. Well, it does actually feel like snow. It's cold, that is weird. So the pieces that we have in here appear to be the legs. So let me just rinse those off in the water. So yeah, so we got a couple of legs. And now I can put that to the side. Actually, no. Because the next one after that is the frozen bones. So this one. And the stretchy snow. Now, is this one also a resealable pack, or is this just a one-time use? I'm going to need the scissors. It doesn't matter if it's a one-time use because it's going in the bin anyway. It's going in the bin, so it doesn't matter if it's a one-time use or a multiple use. I'm only here for the toys that are inside it. Well, I could just pull the pieces out straight away. We have the wings in here. Oh god, it's more of this horrible stuff. It's more of the horrible stuff. So yeah, we have all the wings. Well, all the wings. It's only got 2 wings, but all the pieces of the wings. Let's see what this stuff's actually like. Oh! Okay, this stuff doesn't feel as bad as the other stuff. Yeah, that bit, this stuff definitely... Let me pull the camera up. There we go. This stuff definitely is not as bad as the other stuff, but it still gets everywhere. So let me just put that aside. I'm just doing this just to help pull the other pieces off. Because it is everywhere. Not as bad as the slime though, which I'm pretty sure was just more putty than slime. There we go, so that's all that off. So yeah, we got all the pieces of the wings. I've dropped a bit of the snow. And this stuff actually feels quite nice. Just smells of rubber, like new plastic dinosaur toy. So I'm going to put that back in there. Put that over there. So, yeah, we have wings. So the wings come in 2 halves. So this is like the outer wing. And that's the inner wing that attaches to the body. Put in there. Alright, move the camera back down. So up next is Can You Handle the Tooth? And it is the frozen slime. This feels like it's going to be more like slime should be. This is not food, it's not edible. Alright then, let's get in. There is no tab. Let's get in and see what it is. Okay, so I do actually need to cut my way into this. Alright, so let's cut our way in. Oh yes, this is slimy slime. This is what slime should be. Right, this is what slime should be. Alright, let me put the camera back up. Yeah, this is slime. This is the proper stuff. And in here, as you can see, we have the frozen head of the Blizzard Dactyl. So let's get it out. I'm just, once again, this slime is just going to go in the bin. So I'm going to just put it in the snow. Right, I'm going to pause it. No, I'm not, because we got it out. There we go. Nice. And there's very little slime left on it. And in the hole. Nice. See, when I did the breakout beasts the other week, it was horrible slime. It just got everywhere. So there we go. There's the head. I believe that is everything. So let's put some of the snow in the slime. Oh god, the slime feels horrible now. There we go. That now feels absolutely horrible. Absolutely disgusting. I just realised I should have taken a picture of that egg before I did any of this, because thumbnail. But oh well. Right, I'll be right back. I'm just going to go wash my hands. Okay, I'm back. So now we can put this guy together. Now this should be a neat looking little figure. I'm hoping it looks cool. Right, once again, I'm just going to pause so I can build this, because the postman's here. Hold on. And we're back again. That took a lot longer than I thought. But here is the finished Blizzard Dactyl. And I can safely say I'm very impressed with it. It's bigger than what I thought it was going to be. And it just looks really cool, really cartoony. It does have a little gimmick where if you move the tail, the head moves. I did have to clear some of the slime, that awful stuff. Some of it was inside the body, so I had to clean it out, and it was a pain to clear out. But yeah, so I managed to clear out some of it. It is a bit of a pain, but rush it with hot water, and I mean hot water, and it sort of softens the slime up a bit. For the wings don't move or anything, the wings are just stuck like this, but it does have some articulation in the legs, and the feet can also move, so you can sort of have it with his legs back like that as if he's flying. But to stand him up, he definitely needs to be upright like that, so he can lean on his tail. Oh, let me move the camera down. There. He needs to be upright like this so he can lean on his tail, because if you want to try and get him forward a little bit, as you can see, he is very slowly going. So he is a bit front heavy. So yeah, upwards like that gets him better so he can balance on his tail. The detail on him is pretty nice. He does have some really nice detailing on him. We've got some slime on the wings. We've got some stitching. He's had to have his wings stitched up a bit. You can see it a bit better on that one because of the hole. So yeah, I don't think this guy's going to fly. But, oh well. He is pretty cool. I'm going to put him to the side. And we're going to open the little eggs. So I, once again, shall be right back because I need to take all of the little plastic wrapper off them. Okay, I'm back again. I have unwrapped all of these eggs. And now it's time to just smash them and see what we've got inside. Ooh, we have a fossil. Looks like we have a mosquito. Right, I need the collection guide. So we have a mosquito. It is a Sub-Zero mosquito. It's a common. Oh, here we have a little pterodactyl. The polar dactyl. Move that over there. Oh, we got a little rat. What is the rat? Cold rat. Oh, we got a frozen little T-Rex by the looks of it. Cool Rex. These have all been commons so far. We got a wolf by the looks of it. I think it's a wolf. Not that. Those are foxes. There we go. Winter wolf. We got a winter wolf. And the last one, we have a bull. We have a bull. Ice on bison. It's a rare one. Nice. My favourites are probably going to have to be the wolf, the pterodactyl, and the little T-Rex. And that's that. And then you can use this to sort of help build these eggs back up, so you can smash them again. Alright, so that is that. Let me just bring those back in. I don't think these are going to stand up, but let's try and stand them up. Yeah, these aren't standing. Oh, he is. That one can stand, that one can stand, and that one can stand. The T-Rex can't stand. They all have holes in the bottom of them, so you can use them as pencil toppers by the looks of it. The T-Rex can stand like that. So there we go. That was that. Thank you very much for watching, guys, and I shall see you all in the next video, whatever that'll be. Bye! Now I have to tidy all this up.